Ready?
Yeah.
Welcome back to Facing Adventures.
Hello. So in today's video, we want to take you with us to... No, I can't do it.
No?
No. Let me practice before you record.
I like to record all the bloopers and photos.
In today's video, we're going to test our camping gear. So if you're interested, keep watching.
You heard her. So now we need to try and attempt to fit all of this camping stuff into this small boot.
A few moments later.
So we have arrived at our destination. Now it's time to set up camp in the cold. Super excited.
Hey. Let's go.
Let's go.
What do you think about it?
I love it. Love it. Took what? 20-30 minutes? You done it?
Yeah?
Oh yeah, the size comparison.
Yeah. How tall are you?
6'1".
Pretty big.
Big enough for 2 people.
So welcome. Welcome to our temporary house. I mean, look at the size of it. It's just crazy. And this is the bedroom area. So you come here and you've got a self-inflating mattress and a sleeping bag on top of it, plus a little blanket which is very thin, so it's not gonna make a lot of difference. This is quite thick and it should keep us warm tonight. 2 pillows. So I'm looking forward to it. And obviously a lamp. Which looks like this. Cute little lamp. And then from this point, you've got this little area that you can just store stuff. You can probably fit some chairs here. Even, I would say, maybe some sort of camping sofa, table. You can fit a push bike here if you really wanted. Probably a motorcycle. I mean, that would be crazy, but knowing Pat, he would probably put a motorcycle in here. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let me just close it. This is where we're gonna sleep tonight. Hope you're looking forward to this. I am definitely looking forward to this. This should be called a challenge. Can we survive this
It's
time?
the tent challenge. In the background you can hear hippopotamus. Why are you laughing? Hello, welcome to Facing Adventures. We've finally set the tent up. We're now inside, ready for our first night camping. Super excited. We have hot chocolate. Keep us warm during the night, and
Hot water bottles.
Hot water bottles inside the sleeping bag.
It's lovely.
Super lovely.
See if we're gonna survive this night.
We're also in a back garden, so we're within Wi-Fi distance.
We are safe.
We're safe, yeah, just in case we need to contact or go on the maps for sat-nav to find our way home.
Yes.
We have Wi-Fi, so welcome to our tent. Big bright light. It's so lovely.
Oh no, I can see a shadow of the GoPro on your face.
My face. Super scary. Ultra close up.
So gonna add it to YouTube.
Yeah, awesome. We love it. We're just gonna vlog for the rest of the night.
Yeah, no sleeping.
No sleeping.
Vlogging.
Super close up vlogging. Yes. Stay tuned for camping with Facing Adventures.
Literally facing.
Yeah, face my adventure. Super excited for first night in the tent, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. First night, it was pretty tough setting it up, but it only took us like 20-30 minutes.
Next time we'll know how to start and everything, so
Yeah.
it'll be fine.
Yeah, for anyone that wants to do camping, just like do a test setup, so then when you go to the campsite, you don't look stupid trying to set it up. It's like the best thing to do.
Yeah, that's true.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
Because
with
we were
you.
like, which pole goes in what hole? You know? Sounds a bit sexual. Let's not put that on YouTube. That's like a blooper. Yeah. Setting up the tent was good fun. We enjoyed it.
Yes, and then we put this inflating mattress here.
Yeah, which actually feels pretty comfortable.
Yeah,
like,
it
bearing in mind we're
does.
just sitting on it.
Yeah, it's 5 centimeters thick.
Yeah, something like that. So
Doesn't feel like was it that air mattress?
yeah, the big thick air
Yeah.
mattresses. Yeah.
Doesn't feel as soft. It's quite firm. It's quite warm actually.
No, it is. Yeah, I look forward to a night's sleep in the tent. Super excited. First night. It's gonna be lovely.
Do you reckon we're gonna get up or wake up at 4 AM or something?
I reckon Milena's gonna wake up and need a pee. And what's she gonna do then?
Don't say that. Oh no, I shouldn't be drinking that.
She's drinking hot chocolate
So I'm gonna pee myself.
and she's gonna need a pee.
I'm gonna pee outside.
So she's gonna have to pee outside.
Oh wait, but I can pee in that bit.
No. What, in the bucket? There is a bucket out there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Very glamorous camping.
This is proper glamorous camping for those, like, got hot water bottles in the sleeping bag.
Yeah. Quite cool.
And I've just noticed you've got a hat on. Just noticed that.
Yeah, I washed my hair and I want to have warm ears.
Because we're glamping.
Finally posted the first picture on Instagram.
Yeah.
So if you want to go follow us now, you've got something to like.
Yeah, last video we put up, join us on Instagram and follow us, even though we had no posts. We now have 2 posts?
No, 1. We've got one post. And we've got amazing 70 followers so far, so thank you for following us.
Subscribe and hit the like button. Good night.